Good morning friends. General Science Class 8 Force and Pressure Part 4. In this part we learn about inertia and types of inertia. Students, we learn that an object changes its state of motion due to force. In absence of force, an object exhibits the tendency to remain in its existing state of motion. Let's see an example. Activity: take a postcard paper and keep it on the glass. Take a 5 rupees coin and keep it on the paper. And now push it with your fingers. What can you see? That a coin is not thrown off with the paper. Have you did it ever? No? Then do it in presence of your parents and enjoy it. Now the question arises, why the coin does not thrown off with the paper? Why it falls in the glass? Answer is because of inertia. Object resists to change its position, and due to inertia the coin does not thrown off with the paper. Then what is the inertia? What is the definition of inertia? The tendency of an object to resist its existing state is called as inertia. The tendency of an object to resist its existing position is called as inertia. Types of inertia. Friends, there are three types of inertia. Number one, inertia of state of rest. Number two, inertia of state of motion or inertia of motion. And number three, inertia of state of direction or directional inertia. Now let's see one by one. Number one, inertia of state of rest. Object cannot change its state of rest because of inherent property. This property is called as inertia of state of rest. An object in a state of rest cannot change its state of rest due to its inherent property. This property is called as inertia of rest or inertia of state of rest. For example, passenger sitting in a stationary bus get a backward jerk if bus gets suddenly start. Now number two, the inertia of motion. An object in a state of motion cannot change its state of motion because of inherent property. Because of its inherent property. This property is called as the inertia of motion. For example, a moving electric fan is carry on after or it is rotating for some time after it is switch off. And number 2, passenger in a running bus get a forward jerk if bus get suddenly stop. And number 3, inertia of direction or directional inertia. A object in a motion in specific direction cannot change its direction of motion due to its inherent property. This property is called as directional inertia. For example, a vehicle moving in a straight line, if it turns, then the passenger get turned opposite side of the turning. These are the 3 different types of the inertia. Thank you very much.